Gary Mason with LineStar. Today let's look at the Vivax transmitters. I've got 4 or 5 of them over here. This is a 1 watt transmitter, 5 and a 10 watt, 25 watt, even 150 watt transmitter. This one, if we want to do induction on it, it has to be facing this way. These other ones all have to be facing with the handle. Let's look at how we plug in the new accessories into the transmitter. This is called a speak-on connection, and it quite simply goes in there, and then you twist and you can hear it lock in. To get it out, we pull this release hatch, turn, and pull it out. Let's take a look at the battery tray on these the V-Lock 3 transmitters. You don't have to take this off to charge it. This is the charging port right there. I just wanted to show you what the battery tray looks like. This is the new transmitter bag. It's an option. Transmitter fits snugly inside there. Cables and charger go into this side package, and you can access all the ports through there. So if it's raining or snowing, this can be safely dry.